Welcome. We stand at a turning point in history. The years 2032 to 2035 are not just dates. They mark a karmic climax, a culmination of choices made by generations. This is the final spiritual test of a turbulent decade. The consequences of our actions, thoughts, and intentions will become visible. The universe keeps perfect accounts. What you sow, you reap. These years are a cosmic reset, dismantling outdated structures. Expect social, political, and economic upheaval, necessary for renewal. Like a farmer clearing fields, humanity must churn through discomfort to plant new seeds. This is not punishment, but an opportunity for cleansing and conscious correction. Don't approach these years with fear. Clarity and conscious participation are key. Fear comes from ignorance. Understanding brings grace. The world's problems won't be solved by policy or technology alone, but by a shift in human consciousness. The external world mirrors our inner state. To change the world, start within. The most important work is on yourself. Become stable, joyful, and balanced. Inner turmoil only adds to outer chaos. Inner peace radiates stability. This is dynamic action, not passivity. These years call for spiritual maturity, moving from reaction to conscious response. The choice is yours. Contribute to chaos or become a beacon of clarity. The coming years are an invitation to conscious evolution. Will you answer the call? The future is shaped by your response. 2032 begins the karmic reckoning. Numerologically, it's a 7-year, introspective, analytical, spiritual. Saturn, the cosmic taskmaster, dominates, not malevolent, but a strict teacher. Saturn exposes reality and demands accountability. Weak structures, economic, political, social, will start to crumble. The illusion of endless growth will shatter. We must face our limits. For individuals, this is a year for discipline, simplicity, and inner work. Saturn calls for responsibility and perseverance. Avoid impulsive decisions. Focus on building inner stability through practices like meditation. Retreat for conscious introspection, not out of fear. Take stock of your life and actions. Saturn demands truth and integrity. Any deception will be revealed. This process may be painful, but it's liberating. Face the truth to free yourself from falsehood. 2032 is your chance to clear karmic debts and build a future on honesty. Embrace Saturn's discipline as a tool for transformation. After Saturn's reckoning, 2033 brings Jupiter's expansive energy. Numerologically, it's an 8-year, power, balance, justice. Jupiter stands for wisdom, growth, and righteousness. This year, justice and equality movements surge. Old injustices face reform. New leaders may emerge, championing wisdom and moral authority. Jupiter urges us to act with integrity, generosity, and compassion. Ask, are my actions for the greater good? Seek justice, not vengeance. Balance material ambition with spiritual growth. True power comes from connection to higher purpose, not control. Use Jupiter's energy to grow in wisdom and create a more equitable world. Let your actions restore balance. 2034's energy is volatile. Completion 9 meets Rahu's ambition. Rahu, the master of desire and illusion, accelerates change. Expect rapid technological breakthroughs and sudden upheavals. Misinformation and charismatic misguided leaders may rise. The world faces a crossroads: conscious evolution or destructive obsession. Individually, beware of obsessive desires. Happiness isn't in the next achievement. Practice conscious action and detachment. Act, but don't cling to results. Anchor yourself with strong spiritual practice. See through illusion. Rahu distorts reality. Cultivate clarity. Don't be swayed by hysteria or headlines. Use ambition for collective well-being, not selfish gain. The lesson: channel Rahu's drive with humanitarian wisdom. Achieve without losing yourself. 2034 tests your awareness and discernment. 2035 arrives as a year of renewal and integration. Numerologically, it's a 1-year new beginnings, leadership, fresh cycles. Mercury, planet of intellect and communication, supports this energy. New ideas and systems will take root. Old structures give way to innovation. Diplomacy and collaboration become central. Technology is harnessed for connection and education. Young, innovative leaders step forward. Individually, embrace change and plant seeds for your future. Focus on clear communication and conscious creation. Learn, share, and build networks based on shared values. Redefine your goals and start new projects aligned with purpose. The lesson: every moment is a new beginning. Embrace it. The new cycle is yours to co-create. These years won't impact all nations equally. The US faces an identity crisis. Saturn exposes its divisions. China and Russia confront internal power struggles under Rahu's disruption. The Middle East is pressured toward peace. Old conflicts become unsustainable. Western Europe must choose unity over isolation. Eastern Africa finds new opportunities. The age of dominance ends. Collaboration is the new path. India's role is spiritual leadership, not dominance. Its test uphold its inner science and dharma amid diversity and challenge. India can show the world how to balance material progress with spiritual depth. Its greatest gift is sharing tools for inner well-being, empowering all. By nurturing its consciousness, India becomes a beacon for a new world. Beyond 2035, see this period as a planetary awakening, not an end. The storm clears the way for truth and authenticity. The new cycle is built on clarity, transparency, and deeper connection to life's laws. Your greatest service, work on yourself, become balanced and joyful. A conscious individual uplifts the world. Misery only spreads misery. Embrace this time as an opportunity for inner growth. The future is unwritten. Your awareness shapes it. Meet the new dawn with a clear mind and open heart.